Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will show you how to upload, share, save, and edit files using Teams and OneDrive. These two programs work together so that you can access files in your Teams application and on your computer. You may be sharing files in your channels already, or you want to start. To share files in Teams, go to a channel and click on Files. From here, you can see all the files shared in this channel, including photos, Word documents, Excel sheets, and more. Files saved here are uploaded from either the Files tab or they have been uploaded in posts on your channel. You can open the file in Teams and edit all in one place. Here, we are opening a Word document. When you open it in Teams, you have the same options and editing tools that you have if you were using the desktop application. Other members of your channel are also able to edit the document in real time. This is great for collaborating in projects when working remotely. There are also options to add comments to start a conversation in the file. This is extremely helpful if you are working on a collaborative project and only need to talk about changes, updates, and edits to a specific document. Back in the Files tab, you can either click on the file to open it, or you can hover your mouse over the file and click on the three dots to open other options. You can choose where you would like to open the file, copy the link to share with others in Teams, download the file to your computer, delete, pin, move, and more. You can also create a new file in Teams by selecting the New icon and choosing what type of file you would like to create. This will open the Teams add-in for your file type, and from here you will begin creating a document like you would in the desktop application. Once you create the file, it can be accessed by all members of your selected channel, so they are able to read, edit, and save the document as well. You can also upload files that you have saved to your computer. Next to the New icon, click on the Upload icon, and you will be able to select a file from your computer to share with your team. This will automatically upload the file and will notify your team that a new file has been shared in the posts. By uploading the file in Teams, you now have the file synced between Teams and your computer, and you will be able to open and edit the document in either location, and all edits will be saved as one consistent file. See that when we make edits in Teams to this Word document, it will automatically save. Open the file on your computer and see that the changes made in Teams are also synced with the file on your computer. Now that you have files saved to your Teams channels, you may want a way of accessing them outside of Teams. Next to the Upload button, there is a Sync icon. This will sync all files in your selected channel to your OneDrive. Once you sync your files in Teams, open your File Explorer on your computer and look at the left-hand column. Here, you will see options for your PC, network, and you will also see your OneDrive folder. You may have a personal OneDrive folder, but this is not where your files are saved when you sync them in Teams. Locate your company OneDrive folder, and from here, you will see the files that you have synced. Keep in mind that whatever you change in this will also be synced with the files that you have in your Teams channel, so you can organize them, add new folders, delete files, and add new files. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can manage your files in Teams. If you are having issues with syncing files or locating them on your computer, or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.